engineer. Welcome back to this channel, smartkembo Discover Science. Today I'm going to show you this another system. Our system is called as a how to make a bidirectional visitor counter using AR. So on this system, as you see, I'm done it on previous profession, but you can do it in a real practical and it will be well perfectly and exactly superb. So how system this is operate, as you see on my screen, you will see a 2 AR sensor. Also we have a main control, and this is an Arduino, and also we have a liquid crystal display system by 2. This to show what is happening. Also you will see the light system. The main advantage for this system is to reduce power usage. How power usage will be reduced? So on this system, before all of this, so this system can be installed in a classroom or in office or at your place or at your room. So how the power usage will be in a classroom or anywhere, but must be in a room or halls. That means the people meeting inside. So reduce the power will be in a room we need the light. So if we need the light, so also we need to reduce the power usage. So on this system will help you to do all of this. So first the system will do is to show on display, to show how many people are there. Also the light system will be what happened to the light system. So on this system, if the people or person entering in the room, so the display will show there are people in the room, and the light will turn on. And if there is nobody in the room, so all of this will be off, and the display will show you nothing in a place. So let's check and see what will be happening with this. So this is a progress file, and this is a progress file and circuit diagram. So on this progress I'm going to simulate. Also before simulating this, we need Arduino code. So this is my program. Also I have already designed it. So it's back to circuit. So just simulate. I'm going to learn. If you get fatal error, simulation error, just do. If you get a fatal error, just do like this. Just click. This must be this X file for ultrasonic sense. For this sensor, both this and this. So just double click and open on this, and finally this PC. Also go into log or this PC. Double tap. Also go into program file, and also create finally a lab center electronics. So double click and then go into progress file, progress profession. Double click and go into data. Back and go into libraries. Just find the file address. So double click, add this file into this. To add this library into a sensor. So click and follow the procedure from this to this. Follow procedure on this sensor 1 and do the same to sensor 2. So let's simulate, see what will be happening. Let's say now my system is delayed. So we'll see on a display nobody in the room, so the light will be off. As you see, I assume that the one person entering this room. So this will be a test pin, but if you do integrated practical, you don't need to add this logic. So on the progress, because there is no environments on software, so use this project set. So when you click one, means one person entering in the room. See it's counting the road of people entering. Now person in the room is 5. There are too many space, so you get a lot of numbers. But when you do it very practical, you see only the same. This there are so many messages. There are so many errors in the product. So just but when you do it very practical, this project is done correctly. So as you see, there are 5 persons in the room, and this light will be on. So this will be to reduce the number of persons. So if the person live in the room, so high and low, you will see 4. Also high and low, you will see 3. Now it's 2, 1, and then 0. So there is no person in the room, so the light will be off when you see. So this is the demonstration that is done. It's on progress, but I encourage that if you do into a little practical, the system will work perfect 100%. So thanks for these videos, and if you need this circuit, also program file, and this schematic progress file, just click link into a description and join into our Telegram channel. So when you join it into our Telegram channel, you will see this project, also you see the program file, also you see the Arduino code. Thanks for these videos, and welcome to another system. This is a smartkembo Discover Science. Thanks, and let's join the community together. Don't forget to join into our Telegram channel.